Good morning, students. In our last class, we had discussed about the preparation of soil. And that preparation of soil, we require three main instruments that you all know. First one is, yes, plow. Second, very good, plank. And third one, yes, leveler. Very nice. And in last class, also we had discussed about plow, how it looks like, how to use, and which kind of wooden or iron parts are used in plow. So today the second one is hoe. HOE, hoe. That means this instrument are used for removing of weeds. As you all know, what is weeds? Extra growing plants except crops, and that also need any extra nutrients from the soil. So हम जितना भी plant को दे रहे हैं हमारे crop को, उसमें से आधा से ज़्यादा तो वो weed ले लेगा. That means weeds are unwanted plants which are very negative point of any agricultural field. So for that we require hoe to remove all the weeds, unwanted plants, that means weeds. Now, loosening of soil, also for loosening of soil we require hoe. Then, this hoe is look like this. This diagram is also important. If any questions will be asked in your exam paper, you should draw this diagram. See, this one is grip. Grip means those we can hold it properly. This is a handle पकड़ने के लिए. Now this one here, this is a bend plate, a plate which is required to remove weed from the agricultural land. This is rod and this is a beam, and this beam used to attach with any animals. So long rod of wood or iron. So this rod is of two kind, wood and iron also. Strong, broad and bent plate. See here, this one is very strong and made up of iron. Very strong, bent plate, broad, fixed with its end. So one rod is this, and at the end of that rod we had to just fix that bent plate over there. And this plate is very strong because it's made up of iron, broad as you see, and bent plate, little bit bent. Work like a blade, shaving blade, that is useful for shave or clean the hair, extra hair from our face, right? So same thing happened with this blade like structure, and this blade remove weeds which is unwanted plants for the agricultural land. Now work like a blade, pulled by an animal. Beam is useful for the attachment of animal. So that's it about hoe. Just pay attention and remember the diagram. Now the last one, third one, that is cultivator. Nowadays we use cultivator in the place of plow, because plow is very time consuming method, and for that we require labor, that means energy and time also. But this is very time saving and energy saving material. This plow is done by tractor driven cultivator. Cultivator is attached with tractor, or along with tractor we just tilling and plowing the crop or cropland. Save energy and time. As we all know, we require energy and time for doing lot of extra thing. So this is also very beneficial for farmers. So that's all about the preparation of soil. Remember, if short note will ask in your examination about, write down the preparatory phase of soil, right? Preparatory phase of soil. So you need to write down all the points that we had covered in our last lecture and up to this lecture. First of all, what is preparation of soil and why preparation soil is required? So soil is required preparation because somewhere in some agricultural land soil is very hard and we need to soften them, right? So that's why that is required. Second thing, penetration of root रूट को अंदर जाने के लिए, ग्रो करने के लिए चाहिए. देन इफ वी टिलिंग द सरफेस ऑफ सॉइल, this allow to introduce oxygen inside, and wherever oxygen is there, life organisms are there. And we know which kind of organisms we require as a farmer. So earthworm is a friend of farmer, and earthworm useful for fertilize the soil, right? Now next is क्या था? Yeah, tilling and plowing. We require plow. And remember the structure of plow? Plow shaft, right? Triangular structure. Same. Second, hoe is useful for removing weeds. Weeds means extra plants, extra growth of the plants, right? So for this we require hoe. This is also useful for loosening of soil. We know. Long rod of wood iron. See the diagram. Again I am repeating you. Pay attention. This one a rod like structure. This vary. That means we can get wooden hoe and iron hoe. If we purchase iron hoe, it is very long lasting because of its strongness. Strong broad band plate. This one strong band flat plate, and this plate is act like blade. Blade's work is what? Removing hair, right, for us. But this is removed extra plant. We can call it as a weeds very easily, very beneficial. This is a grip. We have to just hold that grip. And this one beam. Beam is attached with any animals. So pulled by any kind of animal. This is the whole description of hoe. Now coming to cultivator. Now cultivator is a, we can say, traditional plow. Earlier time farmers used to give so many effort, put lot of time and energy in plowing or preparation of soil. But now we have a tractor driven cultivator. See, tractor driven cultivator. ट्रैक्टर से कल्टीवेटर चलता है. So this is very beneficial, very important and time and energy consuming activity. So that's all about the preparation of soil. Preparation of soil, mostly 5 kind of instrument are used: plow, plank, leveler, hoe and cultivator, right? Be remember, be patient, now the second one is sowing. Sowing means what? Any idea about sowing? Seeds, right? Very nice. So this is an important part of the agricultural practices. So crop production के लिए we require good sowing method. That means if sowing method is there, then mostly seeds are very selectively acquired. That means good quality of seeds. Remember, good quality of seeds are selected as per the requirement. Farmer just go to the market and purchase good quality of seeds, because good quality of seed, they give a multiple and growth, right? Clean, healthy and good variety. Seed should be clean, it's very healthy, and of good variety. Good variety in the sense, if I want to grow multicultural land, right? And we will be studying in our next classes about multiculture. So in one area we are cultivating so many plants, so that for that require good variety of seeds. मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड सीड कौन सा होगा? ऑब्वियसली जो यील्ड हाई देता हो. अगेन वी सिलेक्ट दोज सीड्स which give good high yield, right? When we all humans are they require profit. So for this profit, this portion or this part is very important. Again I am dealing with sowing. Sowing means seed. sow the seed in a soil, because up to this we prepare a land. Now next step is sowing of seed. This is very important part, because seed जैसे होंगे वैसे ही cultivation हमें मिल सकता है. Good quality of seeds are selected, and what are the techniques that we are studying in our next class. Clean, healthy and variety of seeds are selected, and most preferred soil seed is which give high yield. So that's it for the today's class. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me. And thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.